Hello students. See, I'm telling you few numericals, how to solve these numericals. Few we are discussing today and rest we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. See, question 1 is a sample of nitric acid is 55% by mass, and we have to calculate the mass of nitric acid present in 100 centimeter cube of the sample if its density is 1.36 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. See, what is given to us is 55% by mass the substance is. It means 55 gram of nitric acid is there and 100 gram of water is there. Okay, sample of that. Now calculate the mass. We have to calculate the small w mass in grams, which is present in 100 centimeter cube of the sample. Means volume is given to us, that is 100 centimeter cube, and along with that density is also given. Okay. Now see now how to calculate this, since the given sample is 55% by mass. 55% by mass, 100 gram of the sample would contain 55 gram of nitric acid. It means that since density is equals to mass upon volume and volume is equals to mass upon density, mass is 100, this 100 gram, and density is 1.36. From this we'll calculate out the volume. It will come out to be 73.5 centimeter cube. See, 73.5 centimeter cube of the sample, it is containing 55 gram of nitric acid. So we have to calculate the mass of nitric acid present in 100 centimeter cube. So if 55 is present in 73.5 centimeter cube, then 55 upon 73.5 into this 100. It means 74.8 gram nitric acid it is present in 100 centimeter cube of the sample. Now see next question. 4 gram of NaOH it is dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of water. Volume is given to us, that is 200 centimeter cube. 4 gram of NaOH is given to us. With the help of this we'll calculate out the number of moles, and we have to calculate is molarity of the solution, and molarity of the solution it is equals to number of moles of the solute per liter of the solution. See, mass of NaOH dissolved it is 4 gram. Molecular mass of NaOH it is 40. So if we'll calculate out the moles, moles is equals to mass in gram upon molar mass, that is 4 upon 40, it is equals to 0.1. Means moles of NaOH here are 0.1. Now water which we have taken, it is 200 centimeter cube, means we'll convert it into liters divided by 1000. It is 200 into 10 raised by minus 3 liters. Now the formula is molarity, it is equals to number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Moles of solute we have calculated here, it is 0.1, and volume of water it is 200 into 10 raised by minus 3. So the answer will be 0.5 moles per liter, or 0.5 capital M for molarity. Okay. Now next question. The solution is prepared by dissolving 0.63 gram of oxalic acid in 100 centimeter cube of water, and what we have to find out here, it is normality. And for calculating out normality we have to calculate the gram equivalent, and for calculating the gram equivalent we have to calculate the equivalent mass. So this question will do like this. See, molecular mass of oxalic acid it is equals to COH whole twice dot 2H2O, it will come out to be 126. Okay, and since two replaceable hydrogen are present here, it means basicity it is equals to 2. So equivalent mass of oxalic acid it is equals to 126 upon 2, that is 63. Now 63 is the equivalent mass, but what we have to calculate out here, number of gram equivalent. So to number of gram equivalent it is equals to mass given in gram upon equivalent mass. Mass in gram it is given to us, that is 0.63 upon 63, it will be 0.01. Okay, this is the number of gram equivalent, and thus we have to put in the formula. See, volume of the solution it is 100 centimeter cube, it is given in the question itself. It means 100 upon 1000, it will be the volume of the solution, because volume we have to put in liters here, volume in liters. Now number of gram equivalent of oxalic acid, this we have calculated, it is 0.01 upon volume, it is this 100 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 0.1. So the answer will be 0.1 gram equivalent liter inverse, or simply capital N also we can write it, 0.1 capital N. Okay, normality ka hi next question we'll do here. See, calculate the mass of sulfuric acid present in 250 centimeter cube of a semi-normal. Semi-normal means 1 by 2n. Okay, half. Normality is half, semi-normal. So according to the normality relation, here mass we have to calculate small w, and for that the formula is NeV upon 1000. Yes, we have discussed it in our previous video also. In the present case, normality it is given to us, that is semi-normal 1 by 2. So E, it is equals to molecular mass upon basicity. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid, it is 98, basicity 2. Two replaceable hydrogens are here. So basicity is 2. So equivalent mass will be 98 upon 2, that is 49. Volume is 250 centimeter cube, that is 250 milliliter. We'll convert this milliliter into liters by dividing it by 1000. It will be 0.250 liters. Okay, now in the formula we'll put the values. W is equals to 1 by 2 into 49 into 250 upon 1000, or directly I have put here the values, that is 0.250. After calculating it, the answer will be 6.125 gram. It means 6.125 gram will be dissolved in 250 centimeter cube to make a semi-normal solution. Okay, so this was about these questions. Molarity we have calculated, mass we have calculated, and here also mass we have calculated when normality was given to us. Rest we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.